So hello guys, welcome back to this another brand new video. So in this video I'm going to teach you how you can make your Instagram private account. So for that, let's go. So after you have to go in your Instagram, and after that you have to go in your profile. After going in your profile, you have to go in the right side up here, three steps, and you have to go in your settings. And after going in your settings, you have to go in your privacy. So after going in privacy here, you can see this at the first in the beginnings, private accounts. So after, you have to click here, and your business account will be private. Okay, guys. But in this my Instagram, it has some problem. So guys, but this is the way how you have to do. Okay. So guys, thanks for watching this video, and I hope that you will be really like this. So don't forget to hit the like buttons and to subscribe this channel.